Hi friends, I'm Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. Today I will be testing another CarPlay device. This is a unique device, very different to the ones that I've been testing in the past. It is actually a CarPlay USB stick. The ones that I've been testing in the past were like adapters, and I've got a few here just for comparison. So you've got these 1, 2, 3. These are CarPlay adapters / dongles. The one I'm going to test today is actually a USB stick. It's a standard wireless CarPlay device. It works with iPhones only. It's not an Android Auto device. You need to make sure that your car has a wired factory fitted CarPlay system in order to use this device. Now let's open this. Alright, so what you get inside is the USB CarPlay stick and cables. This is a cable to extend this in case you don't want to connect this directly with the USB socket in your car. You can always use this extender cable to connect it and then put this in your car. This is USB-A, and you have a similar one with USB-C connection as well. So now coming back to this USB adapter, as you can see, it's a very compact USB stick. It's like a flash drive stick, very different to the ones that I've been testing in terms of the size. You can see this one is quite compact, very lightweight, all plastic body. So in terms of the weight, the design, it's quite compact, very nice, especially for people who don't want to use an adapter and a cable to connect it. You can simply connect this in the USB socket of your car. So that's it guys. Now let me take this out, connect it with my car, and then we will test the performance of this wireless USB stick. Keep watching guys. Before we go ahead, please go and subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and click on that notification button. It helps the channel to grow so I can bring you more exciting product review videos. Alright, so I've got my stick here. Now I will connect this with the USB slot in my car. Alright, so it's connected. It will take a few seconds for the system to recognize and then show us the option of CarPlay. There you go. The next step is open the Bluetooth on your iPhone. You will be able to see this CarPlay box as a new device. Click on this, pair it, allow it to sync favorites, and then finally click on this Use CarPlay button. Now in a few seconds we should be able to see the wireless or the Apple CarPlay homepage. There you go. So very simple, very quick. It's just plug and play, and you just need to do this connection via Bluetooth once, and then every time you switch on the car, the device will automatically detect the connection with the mobile and take you to this homepage of Apple CarPlay. Now this is the standard CarPlay homepage. You have all the standard applications appearing here. One thing to keep in mind is only the applications that are installed on your iPhone and the ones that are compatible with CarPlay will appear. Things like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, which are not compatible with CarPlay, will not be appearing here. Now these are all the standard applications. I will not explain all these in detail, but we will test a few of these just to test the performance of this wireless USB stick. So the first one we will test is Siri. Hey Siri, play some music.
Alright, shuffling music from your Apple Music library.
Alright, so music is playing. Hey Siri, take me to Dubai Mall.
Getting directions to the Dubai Mall.
Alright, so Siri is working, navigation is working, voice is working, the steering wheel controls are also working. Now the last thing I'd like to test is phone calls. Hey Siri, call Ibster.
Calling Ibster home.
Now that's my other phone. Let's see if we can get the call through. Yeah, so calling is also working. So everything is working fine. You know, it's quite nice, quite fast, seems to be very stable. Alright, so the last thing I'd like to test on this device is the startup speed. Basically, how long will this device take to get to the main homepage of Apple CarPlay when we switch on the car. So I've got my stopwatch ready here. Let me unplug the device and then plug it back in, and then we can start the timer. Alright, so around 21 seconds. Now this is a very, very good speed. You know, a lot of devices that I've tested take about around 30-35 seconds, but this is around 20-second mark, which is very, very impressive. Alright guys, so that was a very quick review of this USB CarPlay stick. I really like it, especially the design and the functions. We've tested some of the frequently used functions, features of this Apple CarPlay. We've tested navigation, Siri, music, telephone, everything seems to be working fine. You know, all in all, very nice, very good device. Love the speed. It takes only 20 seconds to start up when we switch on the engine. So if you guys are interested in buying this device, just go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the store of the makers where you can buy this amazing USB CarPlay stick. Thanks for watching, guys.